Opening the box, we see the tester on the left, the printer and 2 rolls of paper on the right. Removing the printer and the rolls of paper, we see the rugged nylon case. Now, to install the tester into the case, the first thing we want to do is remove the plastic rubber gasket on the bottom of the tester. This exposes the connection for the printer. We need to thread the cables through the bottom, and then we can place the tester inside the rugged nylon case. The next thing we want to do is to be able to put the paper inside the printer. And the printer has this very simple door, and the paper is just going to drop right in. It's important to just drop the roll right in with the paper curling from the bottom. There's a roller on the door, and that roller will just close on the paper. Now, to install the printer into the tester, simply remove the excess paper and push the printer into the case. And to complete the setup of this tester, we want to program the language that it will print, the date, time, and header information that will print on the top of the printed test report. To do that, we connect up to any battery, and we're going to press the Enter key 3 times. We'll see SOC in the upper left-hand corner. This brings us to the state of charge page. From the SOC page, we press and hold the left arrow key. Once it beeps, it shows PRN in the upper left-hand corner, and that PRN is the language that will print on the printed test report. There are 17 different languages that will print on the printed test report. 01 is English, so we're going to choose English. Next is the year, and we can scroll left and right to set the year. It's 2010. Press the Enter button to select. We select the date and month next. It's the 26th of July. The first number shows the day of the month, and we're going to choose 07 for July. Finally, we're going to set the time, and we're going to enter 9:30. The last portion of the setup will allow us to enter the information for the header of the printed test report. There are 3 lines of this header, which can include your own shop name, telephone, and address. To program the header of the printed test report, we first have to decide what we're going to say. And in this example, we're going to say Exide Technologies on the first line, Start with the Best on the second line, and Electrical System Health Check on the third line. So the first character that we want to enter at position 00 is character code 27, which corresponds to a blank space. On the tester, we simply scroll to code 27 and we press the Enter button. It asks us now for position number 01, and it's an E with a character code of 05. So we scroll down to 05 and press the Enter button. The last character in the first line, line A1, is character number 19. We want to enter 27. So we'll scroll up to 27, press the Enter button, and we are complete now with the first line. It automatically brings us to line A2, and we proceed with the same method on line A2 and line A3. The last character, character 29, on line A3, the code is 11, and now we've completely programmed the tester. So after completing the programming, we're ready to print a test report. To do this, we first need to get to the SOC page by pressing the Enter button. Then we simply press and hold the right arrow key to print. And on the header of this printed test report, we see Exide Technologies, Start with the Best, Electrical System Health Check.